copyright one or make a new gun for me to make, or give me an idea of a gun to make, and it'll be fully documented and made on proper machinery. We got the good old 9 semi-auto. This is by far my favorite. It's closed bolt, of course. It does have a 9mm rifled barrel liner in it. My little, well, it was a 22 Derringer, but it's a 9mm Derringer now. This is one of the first guns I built. We have this one from the sheet metal Derringers, just slightly modified. This gun's fun too. I might convert this one to a 22 though, or either a 22 or a 410. Haven't decided yet, or I'll make a new one. My pride and joy, my little black powder cannon I made. This thing is freaking sweet. The Professor Parabellum 12 gauge. This was actually my first gun I ever made, and it's Mark Subaru's closed bolt 22. This thing's pretty rough. I haven't taken care of it or cleaned it or nothing. But now that I have actual machines to make stuff correctly, I'm going to redo this one too. And then we got my big mama, my 12 gauge pump action. I could use some help on some materials also, especially if you want me to make like, I kind of want to make a Thompson, like a 9mm version of a Thompson. And for the gun that you want to see first remade, I'm using actual equipment instead of a grinder and files and stuff. I'll be using my CNC equipment. We actually had a tie. The pump action 12 gauge and the 9mm semi-auto. So I'm going to merge them together and make a pump action 9mm rifle. That'll be the first gun I remake or make. Alright, so this is just a short video telling you who the winners are. I don't want to wait any longer. I just want to start making stuff. Alright, next time you see these, there'll be a video out on, well, 3 videos. The lower, the upper, and then the final gun. Alright, stay tuned for part 1. The pump action 9mm. Coming soon.